Hey everybody, this video we're going to be using the HY16 Lishi to pick and decode a '07 Hyundai Accent door lock. A couple things on this Lishi. You see it's got 5 depths on it. This code system only uses 4 of them. And also you see it's got 2 scales on it. It's got 1 through 8, and it also has 3 through 10. 3 through 10 is for a 10 cut system where you got 3 through 10 of the door. This is an 8 cut system, it has all 8 in the door and the ignition. And so picking it's pretty straightforward, decoding it isn't. So go ahead and get it picked here and we'll show you that. Insert the Lishi in here. Okay, I'll put it all the way in. This lock is from a junkyard. I got it cleaned up pretty good, but it was pretty gunked up here. Alright, so I've got it inserted in here, I hope. Okay, I gotta click on 1, click on 2, click on 3 really, click on 4, 5, 6, 7, got some rotation, tiny click on 8, okay, nothing on 1, 2, 3, okay, and we're actually open, okay. Now, picking it, see, it's not too bad. Now, when it comes to decoding here, you're going to want to use some code software like Instacode or lock codes that you can have, something to either be a 1 or a 2 or a 2 or a 3 or 3 or a 4, because reading it can be kind of off. Our bidding on this lock is actually 1 1 2 3 2 4 3 4 is what the bidding actually is, but it actually reads kind of like 1 down. So that there's going all the way to 1, so that's going to be a 1. Okay, then we got number 2 is a 1, and number 3 stops at 3. And it's actually a 2. You read 1 below it. Okay, number 4. See, number 4 is actually stopping at 3 as well, and so it's actually going to be a it's actually going to be a 2. Okay, read number 4 stops at 3, so that's actually going to be, sorry guys, we're on 4, I'm sorry. On number 4, wait a minute here, let me start over here. It's freaking confusing trying to read it. It's got, both both scales, and then the numbers don't quite match, so try again here. So number 1 is going to be a 1, number 2 is going to be a 2, okay, number 3, see, number 3 stops at 3, and so it's going to be 1 below, which is going to be a 2. Okay, number 4. See, 4 stops at 4, so it's actually going to be a 3. Number 5 stops at 3, so it's actually going to be a 2. Okay, 6 stops at 5, so it's actually going to be a 4. And number 7 here stops at 4, is actually going to be a 3. And then number 8, see, number 8 actually is stopping at 3, but it is actually a 4, so that doesn't read right at all. So basically, if you use your code fill software, though, you can make everything read 1 up or 1 down until you get a valid code. It only took me 2 key blanks to actually get a key working on it. And I've cut the key here using the Condor Dolphin. And the key is right here. And this key does come with a valid code of V0966 of 11232434. This is, actual bidding on our key. And like I said, it did take me 2 tries. And it does work without code fill software. I don't think I ever would have got it because it just doesn't read that accurately for some reason. I'm not sure. It's because it's got the extra depth on it, or what the deal is with that. But said definitely with this Lishi, you're definitely going to want to use a code fill program if you ever try to use it for anything other than a car lockout. Because it's pretty simple to actually pick the lock, but actually making the key, it's just, you see the difficulty reading it there. So it's actually my second or third attempt at doing the video, because the first key, like I said, didn't work. So then when I used the code fill program, I was able to get a good code here and get it working. So anyway, any questions or comments about it, put it in the comments. Let me know if you have any insights or any other thoughts about it. Also let me know in the comments, and you'll see the Lishi playlist floating on the screen here. So if you want to see any other Lishi videos, you can click the playlist there and check those out. And that's going to do it for now. We'll go ahead and talk to everybody later.